Alright, big up on yourself, people. Don't know again. I've dropped a little video. So apparently Jamaica pushed forward with the starting of a U18 training camp, and apparently this is a build up to the U20 that is coming up. So what's happening now is that they want to play a lot more U20s on a more regular basis. So what the JFF is doing at this moment is they're looking to keep the camps going, an ongoing camp at the U18 level. So you keep a U18 ongoing camp. So once they progress to U18, U19, then they're fully ready for the U20. Here we go. I could jump into the article. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. You can see what can go on. When we're ready to beat the JFF, we have to beat them, but when we see good things that happen, we have to cover it the same way. And all the time, beating off a job. Sometimes we have to say, oh yeah man, we like that. So this is what happened now. So a Jamaica U18 team led by coach Lenny Hyde and assistant, may I read this up right? And assistant Rudolph Austin is down to compete in a week-long tournament late April in Turkey. So we already talked about that, the tournament we are keeping at Turkey. We'll discuss that. I think we do one video. If anything, we try to say we can put the link in the comment section for that. Surrounding the U18 tournament that's in Turkey. We're going to play against a lot of high-profile team for that one. So believe that one out that way. So definitely. Anyways, although there is no FIFA or kickoff U18 tournament to qualify for, the JFF Technical Committee Chairman Rudolph Speed said it is all part of the U20 qualifying program and overall national team development. So we haven't had a long time now we don't have a U18. Long time we don't have a U18. But anyways, this is what Rudolph Speed said. It's a developmental program, it's a developmental tournament. A lot of the players are eligible for the under 20 World Cup qualifiers. The younger ones of the group, the ones now taking part in the U20. Yo! Put more mosquito. Jesus, please. I want a crocodile bite me a while ago. Bomba. And he come back. Bomba, star. Jesus, please. Bomba. Yo. No, brother. Yo, listen to your fat. A crocodile bite me to rotted. No, sir. Me no lose the page. Hope I no lose the page. One mosquito to rotted. Yo! I come out, you know, intense it's place set up like this, and no, I come out. Sorry about that, people. My sincere apologies. Anyways, a lot of players are eligible for the U20 World Cup qualifiers, the young ones of the group. Yeah, the ones now taking part in U20 qualifiers are 18 and 19 years old. So the 18-year-old on the Youth World Cup qualifying squad will be included here. So basically, what I say is the U20 competition or watch what here. The 18-year-olds who are part of that squad will be taking part of this competition. Like Adrian Reid was 17, I think he might go turn 18. Dustin Cohen was 18. I think Denzel McKenzie was 17 and got turned 18. I think these are the players what I'm talking about. Let me continue. So they will be part of the qualifying program. He revealed that they intend to have more camps and tours, money a run, all geared towards the U20 World Cup qualification. And this is what he said. We are doing a lot of things to get the team up to standard to compete. Even if some of these guys don't make it into the qualifying squad, the exposure will be good for them. So even if the U18, some of the U18 players then don't make it, I already know so the intent is to bring in some players from at a higher level. Even some, you see the mosquito at the back of me. Even some players who are part of some of the academies in England can get in some of those players. Definitely. So even if some of these players don't make it, the quality, the aspect of the exposure and all these things will definitely be good for them. All right. So though it is still up in the air as to whether U20 coach Jerome Waite will be a part of the tour, Speed noted that it will be good for him to be present to make his own assessment of the player. Yeah, because if some of his U20 players then will be there, it'll be good for him to watch them and see them perform, but also look upon the squad and see if he see any player will stand out and say, you know what, I think I can have that player. So that would be good. So let me just close off on this. Wait will still have a main under 20 squad to focus, but Speed believes that Hyde is a great addition to the program, given his outstanding track record at the schoolboy level, and he admits that they want him on board for the long term. So remember, Lenny Hyde, as somebody all the talk about him, say, oh, why Lenny Hyde not part of the program, this or that. Now, a big part of it is that a lot of people don't know. One of the peak success behind Clarendon College is Sammy, Coach Sammy. A lot of persons don't know him because him kind of see it in the shadows and doing thing. But a lot of persons don't you see that? A lot of persons don't really know Coach Sammy. But Coach Sammy has a huge impact on all the players that we see that is performing for the Clarendon College. So anyways, let me continue. But for Lenny Hyde is very good youngster, so it was natural for us to look at him. For now, it will just be this tour. But we are looking if we can make it a long-term project, said Speed. Alright, so yeah, it's a closer now. He added that the request for the other age group tournaments will be taking up those offers to order in order to keep the players looking to transition into the senior team as active and ready as possible. We have other requested for the U23 and U22. Whoa! So U23 and U22 level as well is going to be added. That would be interesting. We're looking at those. The senior national team need the 21 and 22-year-old playing professionally overseas. Here I think about it now. I think that is something that Al Grims did talk about, that he would love to see a U23 team because, and as in U23 team playing consistently, because that would definitely aid him in making some decision. So if there was a consistent U23 team right now playing some football, we do find out that Al Grims may be looking at those and say, you know what, this player, that player can actually be added some level of value to the senior team. So just look at it. So we are putting together those teams so that during the window they will not be idle. They will keep on playing, and national coach will have a chance to look at more advanced players if they can put them in the senior team. So I said, and put them in the senior team, but if them can make it. So it's really an ongoing program for development and trying to keep the players engaged and active throughout the year instead of asking them to come and perform on one shot. This is something we also talk about. We also talk about why preparation takes so long, why when the players just come and want 1 week or 2 weeks worth of training. This time, this looked like a more proactive than reactive setup. So we're not waiting for them to conform to a FIFA or Olympic age group. We will be doing our own thing, he said. The squad will consist of solely local-based players. I think the reason for that is you have more control over them. And if you have a U20, say you have a U23 team, right? Of a lot of local players who are play outside of a FIFA window, it's like hard to get players in Jamaica during that time period. It's not a FIFA window. It's going to be hard. But nonetheless, you can run some friendlies versus the Premier League teams, and you can run some friendlies versus the championship teams and get the players them up to scratch. And that would be ideal. You can run some friendlies, some international friendlies, which is off the key, like we have a relationship with Trinidad. That also would be ideal. And if you have those international friends come up, those big ones, you can maybe include or try if we can get even 1 and 2 of the players overseas in it. We already know it's off season, but at least we can add it like a 1 or 2 nights. So tell us what you think in the comment section, people. Big up on yourself, smash that button, and I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV. Have a blessed evening, people. We're out. God bless. Boom.